Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to keep your bread fresh for longer. Like, in a common sense, you can't finish a loaf of bread in 2 days, man. So like now I'm gonna be like showing you guys like the strategy. Actually, like this is the strategy that I learned from my mom, and I was so surprised, like, no, what's happening, like how is this even possible? So guys, let me take you through, and yeah, I hope you guys will learn a lot from this, and I hope like it will work out for you, because like it works wonders for me. So yeah, stay tuned.
XclusiV Thash, giving out exclusive content. Yes, sir.
Okay, dun 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 dun. First guys, as you can see, this is a bread, white bread, and it is stuffed in my deep freezer. Yes, in my deep freezer, of course, because like that's the process of like keeping it fresh, Then secondly, I'm gonna be placing it in the microwave, and for now let me like place the bread in a suitable platter or plate, So yeah, stay tuned. Then yes guys, as you can see, now the bread is in the plate, on the plate, and I have put it in the microwave. So now I'm gonna like warm it up, so that it can get like that soft texture, It can be soft and tasty, and the smell of it, guys, like it's been baked. I wish you guys can like experience this, and like yeah, it will work wonders for you, like I said earlier on. And for now, I'm about to hit start on this baby, so that I can do the things that makes the things to happen. Stay tuned, yo. Voila, there we have it, guys, and it's a done deal. As you can see, the bread is soft and smelling nice and in good. Yo man, like this it's so tasty. I can tell by the smell that it's so tasty. But then yeah, I hope you guys will try this out, man. It will work out for you, and it will work out wonders for you, man. Like I told you earlier on, this is one of the most simplest trick ever to keep a bread fresh for longer, Yeah.